Hello everybody, my name is Muhammad Aiman bin Safarudin with the metric number 2225357, and today we're going to align ourselves with the third sustainable development goal of good health and well-being. So we will be doing this by making a healthy and simple breakfast meant for students. For today's menu, we will be making a breakfast burrito. We'll be using 5 simple ingredients that is easily and readily accessible for all the students, which includes oil, also tortilla for the source of carbohydrate, eggs for the source of proteins, canned baked beans for the source of fiber, as well as cheese for the source of calcium. So without further ado, let's get started. First and foremost, we will heat up our pan or pot and also pour in some oil. Pour it sparingly, of course, so that it is much more healthier. We will wait for it to heat up. While we are waiting for it to heat up, let us open our tortilla. Place it on a clean surface, as well as open our can. Baked beans. Alright. And our packet of cheese. We also need a container of which we are going to scramble the eggs. Right. 1 egg should suffice. Beat it evenly. The reason as to why I'm not going to put salt is because within the bean itself there is lots of sodium, so the mixture is going to be well balanced. Let us wait for the pan. Alright, I think it is ready. Let's pour it in. Okay, so once it is cooked, we will turn off the fire, take off this, and pour it on our tortilla. Spread it evenly, as we are going to assemble it later on. We'll also put the cheese on the hot egg so it will melt evenly. Alright, for the baked beans, I usually like to pour out the liquid first, as it is very high in sodium, but we still need a little bit of it for the flavor. We'll pour it in. Alright, and now we are ready to assemble the wrap. So right now we are going to roll it. Make sure you roll it tightly, of course. Alright. If you want to put it in the pan for it to heat up, you can also do that. So that is basically it. There you go, a breakfast being made under 20 minutes and also under 25 ringgit. A perfect breakfast for students, as it is a well-balanced, hearty meal that is cost and time efficient, as well as using ingredients that is easily accessible and also flexible. So that is all from me. I hope you all have enjoyed this informative and also beneficial video. given the chance, I hope that all of you can try it for yourselves. Thank you.